welcome back to our Lock Talk. And here we begin our today's Lock Talk with a couple, Kena and Aditya, who live in Secaucus, New Jersey, USA, and they both are physical therapists. And in this COVID-19 pandemic, they have to work every day. So let's hear from them how the life is in US and how difficult it is to live far away from your families in such situations. So much Kena and Aditya for making it possible in your such busy schedule, and we are so proud of you that you are working full time in this pandemic. So my first question to you, dear, is in such situations, when you're panicking, you're upset, you're scared, you want to be with your family. So how are you managing or balancing your emotions in such situation?
Hey Rita Masi, we both are fine and thank you for inviting us on your show, and I hope you and your family are doing good as well.
So for your first question, we really miss our families a lot. They worry about us, we worry about them, but at the same time we are trying to be positive and we are avoiding overthinking and taking one day at a time.
How amazing, Kena. You said really well that one day at a time you are taking it and living the life, without your families, and it's difficult. But, I'm sure your parents, or maybe I am also worried that in this pandemic, as a physical therapist, because I'm sure you'll be falling in essentials and you have to go and treat the patients, then how do you take care of yourself, or you protect yourself that you don't get this COVID-19?
Yes, Masi. So as a physical therapist, we are essential. We are an essential worker in US, but we are trying to take all the precautions at work, like wearing gloves, wearing mask, and sanitizing and disinfecting every treatment rooms and equipment the patients are using, and we are strictly following the appointments and CDC guidelines.
What difference COVID-19 has brought in our lives? We would like to understand from two matured adults and, of course, smart adults like you.
Life has definitely changed a lot. We have become more grateful and appreciative of everything we have. And also life is very unpredictable, so we have to be ready for a constant change and adapt accordingly.
केना एंड आदित्य, एक चीज़ तो है कि हम इस विश्व में कहीं पर भी रहें, पर हमारा दिल हमेशा हिंदुस्तानी रहेगा. वी विल बी इंडियंस ऑलवेज. सो माई क्वेश्चन टू यू इज दैट the pandemic of COVID-19 has brought entire world to one same situation. We all are sailing in the same boat. Every country is finding their own ways and solutions to fight against COVID-19. So you're sitting there in USA, but what do you think that how India or Indian government has worked with this COVID-19 pandemic?
I think India is definitely doing a great job, especially the steps taken by the government, locking down everything. We are less worried for our families, and being a densely populated country, they are definitely going in a right path.
And we are so thankful for all the healthcare workers, policemen, army workers, and all the essential workers risking their lives in this pandemic.
Hi Kena and Aditya. Now we are towards the end of this Lock Talk, and here I would like to share something which I am really missing. I'm missing my outings, I'm missing my malls, shopping, movies, theater, restaurants, everything. Like the fun in life is missed today, because there was a time we were busy all day, we all are working. So, and then whenever we had time, we used to spend with family and go out and enjoy, chill. That was the meaning of a holiday. But now, since the lockdowns and this pandemic situation is come, how do you spend your time during your holidays or when you're off from work? And as well, what message you would like to give to all Indians, or maybe all your friends and relatives?
So we talk to our friends, family members, neighbors, and we have been watching many funny movies, light TV shows, and we have always been eating healthy, so that is something which has not changed. One more important thing, we should avoid spreading fake news. I think that is something every citizen should follow.
And especially me, I'm trying to do a lot of cooking, trying different recipes and dishes to make her happy. And also in between the day, we try to do frequent few exercise to keep ourselves mobile. And at the end note, I would say, guys, please take care of yourself and your families and take a lot of precautions in this pandemic.
Be safe.
Be safe.